So today we are going to Doi Suthep. Mum's going to get a taxi up there and I'm going to go and rent a scooter because she does not feel safe on the scooters. And hopefully I make it up there in one piece and I do not die in the process, because apparently there are so many deaths on scooters, but I need to keep the volume down there because if she hears that she'll lose her so.
Be careful you don't get it trailing into the wheels of the bike.
Well, I'm going to be wearing my rucksack, aren't I? So
yes,
I'm still going to get in the bike.
Chucks it down, you'll have this on.
Well, I'll put it under my bum so he'll be covering.
You don't get it over your exhaust, otherwise you'll get carbon monoxide.
I won't get it over the exhaust. How do you feel about me jumping on the scooters?
Not happy, but not. I don't want you to get hurt. Yeah,
you don't want me to get hurt? Yeah, it's going to go in my bag. Why would I get hurt though? Because if I'm obeying all the rules, going slowly.
Yes, but you can't
control for the other crazy drivers on the road. Exactly, because they're the ones that are responsible.
It's them. It's not me. Classic. It's you. It's not me. It's them. It's not you. It's you. It's not them. Thank you. Cheers. No cash, no cold passport. Oh, they give you medical insurance at least. It's always a good sign. Please choose another rental for suicide. Nice.
These look to me like motorbikes, not scooters.
No, those are scooters.
Alright.
These are obviously the fast ones, which I shall be getting.
I've been on a scooter, you know.
Oh, go on. What happened? Did you die?
No, I'm just telling you.
Well, these are scooters. Well, there's a lot of scooters around. Also motorbikes. Anyway, I'm going to go in and go and talk to the man, suss the situation out. I would love to rent a scooter.
We have price 200 baht
200 baht.
for day.
What about the 100 baht one, the slow one?
You can, but more day. 1 week, one
right,
month.
okay. So the cheapest one for a day is 200 baht.
Yes. We have 3 systems available here. Automatic system,
Yeah.
semi-automatic, and then the last one is fully manual.
Cool.
Do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
That's what I like to hear.
Suit for women because it's a very light.
So not suit for me.
Yeah, can. I mean,
I think it looks alright, but
Yeah.
it's easier
Okay.
to manage if it's
yeah,
light.
you're right. Headlamp is LED headlamp. The LED.
Better light for coming back.
Better
Yes, sir.
light.
At
Yeah,
night,
better
and better
light.
for them to see you as
Okay.
well.
Right.
Thank you for the translations.
Yeah.
You need your paperwork if you can't get into your phone.
Paperwork's in the pocket.
You need to send me a copy of that paperwork.
I'll send you a copy of the paperwork. That's fine.
If anything happens
Do you
to
want
you,
anything else? Yeah. Do you want a photocopy of my passport as well, like you did? Deposit. Deposit. Bottle of water. Hydrator, obviously.
One way.
So one way.
Well, that was a lot of fun, and guess what? I didn't die. Come to Thailand, rent a scooter. It is the way to get around. It's so much more fun than just jumping in a taxi, which is what she did. I have made it 5 minutes in Doi Suthep, and I bought 2 absolutely beautiful t-shirts from this lovely lady here. So if you're in Doi Suthep, come buy your t-shirt. I also had to get some fried chicken because that place looked special. So we are going to see how it compares, obviously, to KFC. High hopes for it because it's really authentic here. So this is what the fried chicken looks like here. A little bit dry. Gonna see what it tastes like. Oh, so there's not much chicken on that. It just seems to be a lot of crust. Pretty greasy. No spice. A lot of grease. Oily. Little flick. Could be seasoned better, but I'm gonna finish it because I'm hungry. So the second course, I did also get this pork thing, which looks nice. I mean, it looks good. It's glazed with like soy sauce, barbecue. This was only like 15 baht as well, which is obviously very cheap for a piece of meat. And obviously, I need my protein to keep up the gains. Okay, so that's a lot of fat. That's fat, as you can see there. Yeah, very, very fatty. So I'm gonna give this to the pigeon. They're loving it. I give this a 9 out of 11. It's better. So I've just gone and bought so many rings, like, look at the state of my hand. Got rings everywhere. 3 on this one, 4 on this hand, a thumb ring. And you sorted me out, didn't you? With great price. So everybody come here for your rings in Chiang Mai. What's your name?
Yeah, Dao.
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 So she's gonna sort you out. Very cheap. Just for me though, not for you.
Yeah, not for you.
Not
for him.
Not for them.
Yes.
Just for me.
Yes.
So after getting all the rings, and I did a little bit more wandering around, I noticed that every single shop seems to sell the exact same things. So I feel like that's why as soon as you start walking away, the great price starts popping up. I feel like I got an amazing deal. I got all these rings, got bracelet, £7.50 in English pounds, so that's pretty cheap. I'm gonna head over to the waterfall now and meet my mum, so I'm gonna head on the bike.